Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm them and you're so welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, hey, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. On today's video, I'll be doing these braids on myself. Like they are so simple and very fast. Like if you want a braid that you do it sharp, like sharp and neat and clean and looking beautiful, then keep watching. Okay guys, this is what we'll be working with today. I washed my hair last night and put it in this braids, so I'll be taking it down, then I'll start my braiding. For this style, I'll be using the expression braiding hair in color 1. I'll go ahead and cut it into 2 and then I'll stretch it a little bit. Stretching the hair will actually give you that smooth finish that the braid will not open up. I'll be starting from the back since it's a part that is kind of difficult to do. Like I'll be undoing the braids I have already, then I braid on it like that. I'll not undo the whole hair because it's going to shrink, and when it shrinks, oh my god, it hurts so much when separating and when combing the hair. So working on it like this, that I already have it in this braid, will make it so easy, and so it won't hurt so much when I'm separating or when I'm braid combing. Now I'm just applying a little bit of the less jam gel, so it helped me make those lines look neat. Hi guys, ignore the lines because I can't really see the back of my head. Just like you didn't see those lines. At the back I separated it into 3. I already did the middle one because doing the middle one will help keep the other 2 side ones from getting in the way. Yeah, I'll be doing the body feed in braid. Like I'll be adding the hair in little pieces. I'll start by braiding my hair a little bit before start adding the extensions in smaller pieces. You're going to add like that until you get the size that you're going for. Then you just braid it to the end. Like guys, if you don't want to sit on a chair for a long time to do braid, like to do the regular braid, this braid style will really help you save a lot of time and your backside from the chair. Okay guys, I'll just let you watch me how I do the whole process. If you did for this point and also you did enjoy this video, just give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button if you never smash am already, because I don't want you to miss anything on this channel, because I am not stopping. We are on the move. Like, if you're natural or you're planning to go natural, then this channel is for you. Don't go without subscribing. Okay, after finish braiding, I'll just go ahead and cure it in hot water. Then I'll apply some mousse on my head, then tie it up for it to get dry. And while I'm waiting for it to get dry, I'll go ahead and do my makeup so I can present. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Right guys, just check the unveiling of the hair. I present to you a 10 over 10. Like, this style is giving me the vibes. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. That was it for the tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this one, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on that bell button at the corner so anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.